Well, guys, when you own multiple bicycles, one of the first things that happen is you learn to swap out your bicycles on a regular basis to keep the tires pumped up and lubricate the chains and just make sure they're all in working order. And so this is my Trek 7100. It's my daily rider that I ride to commute back and forth to work. It has the rapid fires on it. And I pulled the lubricant out of the bag I keep here, and as you can see, after a week of sitting here in the yard, a bird nest has developed and a bird's moved into my bicycle bag. So now we're going to put it away, take the bicycle bag off and hang it up and see what happens with the birds. We'll get back with you shortly. Okay guys, after a few days of swapping bicycles, because I like to rotate them, I left my bicycle bag, as you can see the egg, left my bicycle bag open a little bit, and a bird took over, put a nest in the bag. So rather than throw out the bird nest and the egg, I decided I'd hang it up and let the bird continue on, and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to record the bird going in and out. Since I first showed you this, guys, she's now got 3 eggs down in there. She's moving right along and making a family. Oh, keep trying to get a couple more videos of her and continue on. This is a little culprit that was involved in stealing my handlebar bag. As you notice, he'll move into the nest here. I believe this is the male. He brings out a piece of shell, knocks over my camera. Also, I guess he didn't want to be on YouTube.
sorry for the lighting. Guys, I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's a little hard because of the lighting and all, and it's down in the nest fairly deep. But this is the baby bird, and wanted you guys to see it. At this time, it'll be the last video clip I do of the bird. I don't want the mother bird to reject it in any way, and hopefully everything will keep on going fine, and we'll see.
Okay guys, it's time to do a repossession on my handlebar bag. We'll see what the nest looks like, if I can get it to open up here. Pretty well burrowed down in there. Alright, that's it. You've got your 5-day notice. It's time to move out. Anybody need some good fire starter? Okay guys, I want to thank all y'all for watching and having some patience with this video. I think I'll have to take it and wash it now. Okay, it's cleaned out, birds are evicted. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you like and subscribe and stay tuned to more of my videos, and have a great day. Looks like there's an egg in here that didn't hatch. And the birds have been gone for a couple of weeks. I'll let them stay just in case. I guess one didn't make it there. I hope you guys can see that pretty well. Oh well. Again, thanks for watching.